Hello. Um, Howdy. It's like 7:15 on a wonderful British Monday evening. I'm at work late. I'm the last one in the office. I'm going to be working late for the foreseeable 2 weeks. Big delivery on a project that needs to be done, turned around quite quickly. So I'm doing what needs to be done. In terms of, I don't mind staying late. It has its perks. No one bothers you a lot. But anyway, sort of thinking about, I spoke about previously submitting talks to JavaScript conferences, front-end developer conferences, and I thought that maybe the subjects that I was submitting weren't interesting enough. So today, while I was working, I thought, I don't see a lot of Ember talks at conferences. I see a few here and there, but I don't see a lot of Ember talks. And the Ember community is significantly smaller than, say, the Backbone or the Angular community. And I think there should be some interest in there. So I've started putting together, sort of in my head and a few notes, what I would like to talk about in terms of Ember. And the talk title is, because you got to have a good title as far as I'm concerned, is the talk title. You know, you shouldn't judge a talk by its title, but you can. Is everything you want to know about Ember, but were afraid to ask. Everything you've always wanted to know about Ember, but were afraid to ask. So, you know, a spin on the Woody Allen movie. Yeah, so I started putting that together. I think that would be quite good. I'd like to go over some of the basics of Ember. I don't really want to do a comparison between Ember and Angular and Backbone, but obviously that is something that would have to be talked about in the talk, just because that's going to be the question that everyone's going to ask. So that's mostly what I did today. Other than obviously work, of course I did some work. My in the post today, my Gulp hoodie came. It's lovely. It's a really nice hoodie. It's really thick. It's really soft inside. It's got that new hoodie smell. So hoodies are the uniform of the developer, I believe. Anyway, it sounds really cliche, but I think that's quite true. And it's quite a nice print. It's from their Teespring run. When they did the first run, I got the T-shirt and was really happy about that. And there's just spam coming through in my email. And so this time I decided to get the hoodie, and I'm really happy with that. And I wish more sort of open source products would do some stuff like Teespring. Pretty cool. So yeah, Ember.js, hoodie, working late.